Today I will be trading with just $100 and I'm going to show you exactly what real money management looks like. Just a practical plan designed to keep you out of that 90% of the traders who blow their accounts. So let's trade smart and not emotional. As you can see, this is my live account with $100 balance on it. And on the right hand side in the leaderboard, I have not taken any trades today. So the balance is showing zero here. I'll be taking a couple of trades with my $100 and I'll show you what money management looks like. For my first trade, I'm risking just $10 and I want you to stay focused with me, not just on trades, but on the money management behind every decision. With only $100, blowing the account is easy, but there's a simple hack I use that protects my capital and keeps me in the game. So stay patient, watch closely. This might change the way you trade forever. I have entered a call entry trade right at the candle open after two key confirmations, the overall trend and the candlestick psychology. As you can see, the overall trend of the market is uptrend and even the minor trend is making higher highs. That is, the minor trend is also bullish, and the last green candle is showing me a pure bullish momentum, a strong momentum towards upside. So this was a high probability setup. So I think I have got 70% of my winning chances in this particular setup. So let's see how this trade goes on. If I win this trade, I will be making $8 out of my $100. And the key money management here is, if I win this trade, I will decrease my amount from $10 to $8 because that $8 is going to be my pure profit money, which I'll be taking my next trade. So let's see how this trade goes on. And if this trade is a win, then I will be $8 up. So as you can see, this is a winning trade. Now, just as I said, the trade won't give me $8 in profit. Now I will reduce my risks to $8. So I'm trading with profits while keeping my $100 capital safe. That's disciplined money management. Now, after this, I'm looking for high quality setup to grow my profits safely. Even before entering, I select charts that shows a clear major and minor trend. So let's find that perfect currency pair with clean chart, very little wicks and a clear direction so that I can safely enter and safely multiply my profits. You don't have to take trades back to back on the same chart in every candle. You have to wait for that perfect setup. Okay. For example, here in this particular chart, this is a clean upward direction momentum. There's a lot of buying pressure going on, right? So here we have to focus in this particular running candle. So before that, there's a green candle, which is a spinning top. We need one more confirmation. So if this candle closes as a spinning top as well, or a hammer candle, no matter the color, whatever it is, I will going with a call entry right at the opening. And okay, perfect. So now my logic here is two spinning top around the support area. The major trend is uptrend, so the wicks are telling me that buyers are in control, which is why I'm going for a call entry. This is the logic behind this trade. I am going with the buyers because there's purely a buyer's momentum. I have taken $8 risks, which is my profit. So let's see how this trade goes on. Also, side by side, you have to check the reaction of this current candle as well. See, the candle is making a healthy green candle, but you never know, in last 5 seconds, sometimes the candle gives error and we might end up losing our trade, which is why money management is so important. Let's see how this candle closes. If this candle closes as a healthy green candle, I will be taking my call entry once again after this candle. But if it doesn't, okay, that was a sudden reaction at the last 5 seconds. See, this was what I was talking about. And this is not a winning trade, but in fact, this is a refund, which is okay for me because I didn't technically lost this trade, but I got refunded because of my opening position, though it was a green candle. As a trader, your first goal is not about making money, but it's about protecting your capital first. Here, my capital is $100 and my entire focus is keeping that safe. Profit comes second because if you protect your capital, profits comes naturally. All right, traders. So I want you to focus not only in money management, which I'm taking, but also the logic behind every trade, which I am going to explain you after each trade. So in this particular chart, there's clearly a support going on. If I have to mark with a horizontal line, this would be our support, and 90% of the traders does the same mistake again and again, which I'm going to explain it now. So what they do is, the major trend is clearly uptrend. There is a strong support, there's two touches, and they directly go with the call entry trade regardless of what the current candle is doing. but I'm going with a put entry because I've seen the candle reaction and the candle psychology behind the previous candle, which was a strong red candle, back to back two red candle, and there was no strong reaction from the support area whatsoever, which is why I'm going with a put entry directly at the opening. And this is a high probability trade setup. There, it has got 70% of winning chances, because this is what OTC market tricks us every time, because they don't rely on candlestick psychology. Only on the basis of support and resistance taking trade is not okay. And just as I anticipated, this trade is going in my favor. I combine candlestick psychology. I do not rely only on the basis of support and resistance, but basis of candlestick psychology, candlestick reaction, this should be a winning trade. And after winning this trade, I will be multiplying my $8. And let's see, let's wait for the candle to close, and this is now winning trade. So I have in total $16 in profit out of my $100. So the next trade I will be taking is $16. So I am going to increase my stake to $16, protecting my initial $100 capital. This is how you should manage your risks taking trade, because in trading, you never know that in last moment you can even lose your amount. So slowly I am building up my initial capital, protecting my capital, and side by side I am also taking trades with proper logic. So let's see if I can win this trade as well. Let's see for the perfect setup. Okay, perfect. Here there is a lot of wicks going on, and if this candle closes as a hammer candle, I will be taking my call entry trade at the opening of the candle. Let's see how this closes. I want a hammer candle. Okay, perfect. Now I will be taking my call entry trade. And also, if you notice, the last 5-second reaction was pretty strong in this candle. I can clearly observe that buyers were in control. So one candle should be a green candle, though the major trend looks downtrend. But the initial phase market is going up with a lot of wicks to the upside and from the downside, which is why this is clearly telling me that buyers are active, buyers are stepping into the market. And I waited for that reversal candle, which is hammer candle. Okay, this is why I took my trade, and I am giving $16. I'm risking $16 in this trade, and if I win this trade, I will be making $30 out of this trade. Total amount, my total capital is $100, and I will be making $30 extra. So I will be splitting that $30 into two parts, that is 15 and 15, to take two trades. This trade is going in my favor, so there is a couple of seconds left to win this trade. Okay, perfect. This is a winning trade. Now you see my balance is $130, which is good. I am going to split that into 15 and $15. This is my money management. So I am only taking trades with the profit amount, protecting my initial $100 capital. Okay, you have to keep this in mind. So let's see, there is a fair value gap going on in this chart. So if the market gives me rejection from this area, I will be taking my put entry, because you see the major trend is downtrend here now. So let's see how this candle closes. If this candle gives me a rejection, the next target would be our order block. I have made a separate video on fair value gap order blocks as well. So let's see how this candle closes. I am looking for a reversal entry. If this candle closes as a green one, I will be taking my reversal trade. If it doesn't, then we will see what the candle reaction is. Okay, so let's see how this candle closes. Okay, this is a reversal candle. Exactly from our fair value gap. This is a very small tiny red candle which closed inside the body of the previous green candle. So I assume that the market should go up to our order block, which has grabbed the liquidity. But if this trade goes in loss, I will not be taking any one step martingale trade, because the candle has reversed from a major supply zone, that is our fair value gap, right? Also, the market is making lower low, so the chances of winning this trade is only 50%. So let's see how this trade goes on. Even if I lost this trade, I will only be losing the $15 amount, which is my profit amount. I will not be losing any money from my initial balance, which is a good thing. This is what money management should look like. So let's see, according to my analysis, I'm losing this trade. So let's see what we can implement to win back our another trade. I will be closely observing this candlestick psychology and candlestick reactions side by side. Okay, this is a losing trade. I am not taking my one step martingale trade, but I am in fact going with a put entry. Let's see how this trade goes on. I am closely going to monitor the reaction of this candle as well, because sometimes OTC market tricks us in a way that we might blow our account as well. So even if we lose, what we can do, we have to see what the candle is telling us. Okay, so the market is making lower low. There is a demand zone still not mitigated. There's a demand zone which is still not touched. I am not taking my one step martingale here because I am protecting my capital. I have a very less capital, and look, this candle is exactly what it is doing. It is now going in my favor, exactly how I analyzed the chart before. So this is not making any low, but in fact this is going up, correct? Still I am in profit because the money I lost two back-to-back trades was just my profit amount and not my initial capital amount. However, now I'm 100% sure in this trade that I'm going to win because now my analysis is on point. After the green candle, now I'm sure that the market is going to test the zone, which is our extreme supply zone, which is why I'm taking directly call entry trade. I was tricked twice by the market, but not the third time, because now I have seen the candlestick reaction and candlestick psychology, and also I have already marked my extreme demand zone as well. So this should be a winning trade. All right, traders, so now you can relate this to me. I have a very less capital and I lost two back-to-back trades. This is not stressful at all because I did not lose my initial capital, but just the profit money which I made. So this is okay. These all are my trades. I have covered it. Now I'm also $12 up with this trade. See, I've got $12 in profit. Now I'm going to reduce my stake to $12 and I will be taking a $12 trade. So let's see, let's find that perfect setup. This is how you should be controlling your emotions and money management. Don't try to be rich quick. Okay, you have to go step by step. This will also make you a disciplined trader. So let's see, there is a fair value gap going on. If I can take a reversal entry right here with the $12, let's see how this candle closes. The same setup which we saw in previous chart. Okay, there's a lot of reaction coming from that extreme supply zone, so I'll be taking my put entry right at this opening of the candle. So this should be a winning trade as well, because the last 5-second reaction was very important and it's very crucial, which I have already noticed. There's a fair value gap, and you know, in Quotex binary option, fair value gap works like magic. You know, whenever the major trend is downtrend and you see a fair value gap and you mark that and you combine it with candlestick psychology, especially with the last 5-second candlestick reaction, that combination is very powerful, and I am 100% sure that this should be a winning trade. So directly at the opening of the candle, I took my put entry, and look at that. This is a perfect setup which directly came from our fair value gap, which I marked, which I noticed the candlestick reaction as well, and this is a winning trade. With proper discipline and smart money management, I just grew $100 account by 20%. No impulsive trades, no gambling, just patience and rules. I am not here to show you off, but here to show you how small capital can grow when you trade the right way. These are all my trades. I lost 2 trades, but out of the 2 trades, everything was a winning trade. One was refunded, and you see my live balance, 20% gain. The target is actually 10%, but 20% gain is very good. And if I have to show you my leaderboard, this is what $22 in profit, which is actually very good amount when you are trading with a small account that is $100, and this is 20% gain. Though it looks very small, but this is actually a solid win. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to join my Telegram. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Until then, happy trading, guys.